like
What?
my new room.
You like your new room?
Mhm.
What do you like about it?
The treasure chest.
Well, you had that before.
I like it. I'm saying I like the candy in the treasure chest. I never had it in the treasure chest.
Oh. Well, what do you like about the house?
Light switches. Light switches.
Light switch. You like the light switches?
Yeah. They go off and on. Off and on.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Of course, the light switches in our old house did that too, huh?
Yeah. Off on. Off on.
Okay. Do you like being closer to all your cousins?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like Uncle Matt.
You like Uncle Matt? You like seeing Uncle Matt? Oh, I know he likes seeing you too.